Hey everybody, it's Glenn. Got to take the Mighty Tri out today for a rundown, shakedown after doing oil change. It's been a little while since I've flown the plane. Got some upgrades in it. I'm gonna talk about those in another short video coming up. Want to let you guys know we flew over to 68 Whiskey Alpha. It's a little private strip right outside Yakima, Washington. It was pretty cool other than a lot of snow and ice on the ground, so we couldn't touch down, but we did a low approach. And want to give a shout out to Drew Lewis. He's the one that took the video that you're about to see. And he lives there at the field. That's his family's farm and field. Nice little strip. Looking forward to going over and being able to hang out with them and see what they've got. Anyway, Robert and I, a friend of mine that flies a 172, we did that. And then we went up to Basin City, which was a 97 Whiskey Alpha. Did a quick stop, turn around, and headed on down to another grass strip. So great day for flying. It's kind of rare this time of the year. Wanted to get one last flight in before the plane gets torn down for the annual. But hope everybody's being safe. Hope you guys are having a good new year so far. Until then, we'll talk to you soon. Peace.